Welcome to the Make Money Online YouTube channel, with me Mr. Mills. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can start making money worldwide with affiliate marketing, using a great affiliate marketing partner. If you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how to do it, using my favorite free traffic source. But before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications, because I post videos just like this showing you how to make money online, and you don't want to miss them. So here's what we're going to go over in today's video. Step 1 is which affiliate platform to use that accepts worldwide applicants. The next step, how to sign up. Step 3, where and how to promote your affiliate links. And the last step, which is my favorite, the best free traffic source to maximize your earnings. So let's get started. Step 1 is to join the right affiliate partner. The affiliate partner I'm going to be showing you today is jvzoo.com. The reason why I picked JVZoo for this video is because they accept partners worldwide. Another reason why I picked JVZoo as the affiliate partner for this video is because they have a long list of products. Next, you're going to sign up as an affiliate marketer by clicking this button right here, Start for Free. Next, you need to fill out this form in full, and then select your country. After you've filled out the form, you need to go to your email to verify your account. Once you've clicked on the email, you're going to see a page like this asking you to log in. So now put in your login information, and then click the orange button. Now once you're logged into your new account, you need to connect your payment method. They have a variety of payment methods that you can choose from PayPal, BlueSnap and Stripe and a few others. So select the one that works best for you. Configure it by clicking on the Configure Now button. You can click on Affiliates, and then find a product. Once the page loads, you can scroll through to see some of the products that are available. If you work within a specific niche, you can type the keyword in here, for example recipe or keto. If I click on recipe and search, it will bring up a list of products that are within the recipe niche. Next, all you have to do is pick a product. Once you select a product from the list, you need to click on this button here, to request approval. That will bring you to this page where you need to fill out this information. Type in a brief description of how you are going to be promoting the account. Then click this checkbox right here, and then this second checkbox right here. Once you're done, click on Request Approval. Once you've clicked that button, you need to wait for your pending approval. For your affiliate link will come to you by email. You're going to get a notification to your email that you signed up with JVZoo telling you when you're approved to promote the product. The email will look something like this. To get your links, you can come back to your JVZoo account, click on Affiliates, and then Approved Products. When the page loads, you can scroll down and see the product that you're now approved for. To get your affiliate link, you're going to click on this green button that says Get Links. Then you're going to copy this link, and I'm going to show you where to paste it. Now we'll go over step 3, which is where and how to promote your affiliate links. The next step is to come to Linktree and create your free Linktree account. To do that, click the purple button and then fill out your information. I'm going to do that now, and I'll be right back. Once you've signed up, you're going to be brought to this Get Started page. Just pick a couple of links to get started. It doesn't really matter what you pick right now, but pick things that you're interested in. Once you've done that, click the I'm Not a Robot, then click Save Details, then click Free Account. You can close this window by clicking Continue. OK. Now the next step is to add the affiliate link that we just copied from JVZoo, so do that by clicking the purple button right here. You can tap on the pencil icons to edit the information on this block. So we're going to paste our affiliate link into this spot right here. Then you're going to give it a title. Make this title something simple that people will know and search for when they come to your Linktree. When you're done, click outside of the box, and you'll see a preview of what your Linktree will look like. Now that you've done that, we're going to move on to the next step, which is to start sending free traffic. Next, you're going to come over to TikTok and create a niche account. A niche account is a TikTok account where you don't show your face, but you post valuable information for your viewers. Here's an example that matches the product that we're using for this example. This is a Keto Diet TikTok account. The great thing about accounts like this is that you don't even have to show your face to get followers. You can post recipes just like this, and people will come to your profile, start following you, to follow your recipes. Now once you've created your account, you're going to paste your link. Tree link. Right here, just like this example. That way when people come to your account to view your profile, they will see your link, and when they click on it, they'll be brought to your affiliate link. Just like this. The next step is to start creating content for your new account. You can get content to post on your TikTok account from YouTube or other free sources. The great thing about TikTok is that you can promote affiliate links absolutely free, and get thousands of views just like this. Every single day. The more times you post each day, the more followers you can get. Now that just covered the best free traffic source to maximize your earnings, which was TikTok. I can't stress enough how great TikTok is to promote affiliate products. You can get thousands of clicks per day, and if you pick the right product and put it in front of the right people, that could equal thousands of dollars every single day. Now that brings us to the end of this tutorial, but make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting more videos just like this, showing you how to make money online, and you won't want to miss them. So tap the subscribe button and make sure you turn on notifications, so you'll know exactly when I post my next video. If you like this video, make sure you tap the like button and write in the comments what you thought was most helpful. Thanks for watching.